Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the another urgent news for all cake holders. So keep watching this video till the end because every update is very important for all holders, my friends. First of all, before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, if we look the currently latest price of the Pancakeswap in a USD dollar, so you can see here that the currently latest price is 13.03 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Pancakeswap. Furthermore, if we look the cake coin in the BTC, so you can see here the BTC price of the Pancakeswap 0.00398786 USD dollar. BTC Bitcoin price of the Pancakeswap. Furthermore, my friends, if you want to look the market cap of the cake coin, so 24 hours trading volume and the available supply, total supply of the Pancakeswap, every update is present on the front of your eyes, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, if we talk about the price changes of the Pancakeswap, so is the price going up, is the price going down? So my friends, the currently situation, the latest situation, the last 60-minute price changes is going good. I think that at this time the 1.24% positive change occur. So if the changes is positive, that's mean that the price start pumping, my friends. The price is going upward, my friends. But unfortunately the previous 24 hours last only price changes is a negative 1.82%. So the previous changes is a negative. That is why, you know what, the people are so angry to the Pancakeswap coin. But now the current situation is again going better. That's why the people are feeling good, my friends, and I'm also feeling good. If someone asks me questions that how you can feel today about Pancakeswap, so my answer is that I'm feeling very good. Anyways, also tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about Pancakeswap? Tell me in the comment box, my friends. And furthermore, my friends, the last 1 week, last 1 month price changes of the Pancakeswap coin is also negative, my friends. Let me show you the price chart of the cake coin, my friends. Oh, you can see here, my friends, in the previous time the Pancakeswap price is very badly fast down, you can see here. But on as I told you, my friends, in the start of this video, that the latest changes of the Pancakeswap is going good. The latest changes is going good. So you know what, my prediction is positive about cake coin. Hope they will continue this pump for a long time and they will give you good amount of profit. So the current situation is going good. Celebrate it, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos.